We have a lineup for today. So a very warm good morning YouTube. Yeah, the lockdown is going on, but it was like really boring staying at home. So what I decided is, let's have a short spin till 50 kilometers up and 50 kilometers down. So there is Alina, my MT-15, and here goes the new member, which is the BMW GS 310. So this will be the ride for today. So Pavan is here. So he's a kind of a camera shy guy.
Hello.
So this is the person who owns this bike. So yeah, that's it. So we are waiting for Karthik to come. So we just had a call with Karthik and he told me that he will meet us directly in the petrol pump. So see you guys on my GoPro. So finally, after a really very long time, we are leaving for a short spin. So there is Pavan with his 310 GS. Chalo. Finally we are on the road again, and we just came out for a short spin. So what I will do is, I have to refuel. It shows just 1 point of petrol, and here we go. Okay, so Karthik is here already. So that is Karthik on his R15 V3 and Swaroop is sitting just behind him. Let's just refuel and start. So there is Pavan, and ఎప్పుడు లేట్ అన్నా ఇంకా. So I am done refueling. So here is Pavan who is refueling his bike. ఎంత ట్యాంక్ కెపాసిటీ?
11 liters.
11 లీటర్స్. పర్లేదు. ఎరా మూమెంట్, ఎరా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సరా? 50 కిలోమీటర్ జగ్గంపేట వరకు వెళ్ళడం రావడం.
ఓకే.
అరే ఎంత పడింది ఇది హెల్మెట్?
5350.
5250 5350. Left and we didn't see him. Chalo. Okay, so here we go again. Okay, here is Shriram. So here this fucker. చెప్పు. 50 kilometers sir. పద స్టార్ట్ అవుదాం. So I think everyone is ready. Okay, so these guys have started. Thank God everyone is wearing helmet except the pillion who is sitting on Karthik's bike. This is a Sunday and we are here on a small weekend ride, and today we have a lineup of BMW 310 GS, the R15 V3 and the Thunderbird 350, the older gen. So we are here for a short spin for 50 kilometers down and 50 kilometers up. I mean the 50 kilometers up and the 50 kilometers down. So I think I will be riding this machine, which is BMW 310 GS. This bike looks, man, decently amazing. So we have a lineup for today. It is so freaking hot, though it rained yesterday. Let's go with the lineup, and today we have this BMW 310 GS. Again, I cannot really hold my excitement. And then comes my Yamaha MT-15, followed by the Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350. It is one of the best looking machines in India, I would say, and it is, I mean, it's a good job, Shriram. And here comes the Yamaha R15 V3. Thumbs up. So the end of the ride and we are leaving back. So what we gonna do is we will take a U-turn from next 2 kilometers, and there are few things to look on, and yeah, just suggest me few of the topics, as I'm not aware what to upload the content. I do have few of the videos, but I'm not really sure what to edit and what to upload. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది యూటర్న్ తిప్పే? Sorry for the foul language, but no problem, everyone uses these days. So there is Shriram on his Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350, and Pavan is just behind me. So there comes the BMW 310 GS. So it was one beautiful experience riding that bike. Nice. And Karthik is just sitting with his helmet as a pillion because he was actually shooting our videos, and it was one good ride after a very long time. We need to stop somewhere for chai, otherwise my head is gonna burst.
నీకు అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ అనుకో కొంచెం డిస్టెన్స్లో నడపడానికి బాగుంటుంది కదా.
Okay, so we are done with the tea stop for today, and we are leaving home now. Pavan is already ready, and Shriram is getting ready. Just need to pull the bikes and again onto the roads. So again hitting the roads. Looks like we are still 30 kilometers away from Rajahmundry. It was the break which took a lot of time, but though we're gonna pull it because it is a curfew time. So a good pace on an average of 70 kilometers an hour, and we have Pavan's 310 GS over there. Oh god, careful, 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 careful. Thank god. Arey bhai, there was a police check post. So in the outskirts of Rajahmundry from here, 20 more kilometers home. Overtaking is much easier. The highway runs are so good, so good. Thank God, I thought this check post is open to stop people, but no. So there goes Pavan. So Karthik is going as well. Swaroop is scared like shit. Arey, please slow, Arey. Karthik, please, Karthik, slow, Karthik, please. His inner feeling. Touching down Rajahmundry. Okay, Rajahmundry entering. So there is Shriram. I think he will go straight, and me, Pavan and Karthik will definitely turn right. ఇల్లు ఎక్కడే సార్? పక్కనే వెళ్ళిపోమంటారు. ఓకే ఓకే. We were not allowed from that gate, so he asked us to take another route. Maybe they should be under surveillance or so. Bye Pavan. Bye Karthik. Bye Swaroop. So it was one amazing ride. I'm going to take a U-turn, and there we go. Turning. Arey, pig, that's a teenage piglet. So the gates are open. So here we are with the end of our weekend ride. So I'm parking my bike. If you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up. If you have any feedback, then you can give a feedback in the comment section below. I would definitely be open to take all your feedbacks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel. This is Rajkaran Vlogs signing off.